somewhere just up here was interesting debris in the, excuse me, in the ditch. I saw it yesterday when I drove past, and we saw it again today. So now we'll take a look to see what it is.
Oh, I know what that is.
The cap off of a truck?
Yep.
Ah. Well, I wonder if it blew off or if somebody just discarded it there.
I think it probably blew off.
Yeah, it probably wasn't properly attached. But I guess they didn't want to come back for it.
The whole truck went in the ditch.
Oh, well. They got the truck out, but they didn't get the cap out.
I wonder if this is where it was. Did you notice this before?
I noticed it yesterday. So you think you might have an idea who it is. Well, it looks like they took out the sign for the Marquis of Dufferin. Wow.
They took out this pole.
Oh yeah, new pole. Wow.
Depending on how long this has been here, I might not see it.
Okay. Oh, there's more metallic debris. Oh, I think that's part of a grill.
Yeah.
Wow.
They would have went straight in this pole.
Yeah.
It was a shed truck.
I was thinking the grill had, yeah, I can see the logo there. You can kind of make out the logo in the center. Or where the emblem had been anyway. Wow. So that's what that was.
Yep. There's parts up in that tree.
Up that way? Oh, where those alders are growing. There's some pretty good alder growing here. Yeah.